Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Absolutely love to have you here. So in this video I'm going to show you very important stuff. Basically I'm going to show you the exact time frames that have been manifesting the crypto market cycle since Bitcoin's inception from 2009. So make sure that you watch this video, because after watching this video you understand where we are in the cycle and what's going to happen next. Literally, the pattern has been repeating, and it repeats until it doesn't, but so far it seems that it's going to repeat. Okay, so this is literally gold. So right now we are in the bear market phase called the boring lows, and you know, I have pulled the data here. So the boring lows has exactly been around 1.5 years in every cycle. 1.5 years, and 1.5 years is 547 days. Okay, 547 days. Right now, you know, we are in the boring low, and this boring low that we are right now started in June 2022, and June 2022, how many days have been since June 2022 to right now to this date is 511. Okay, so in a month or so we are historically in a phase where the boring lows like ended. And what happened after boring lows? Now it gets interesting. Like I've been saying, I think that we will have the final dip in 2023, and after that in 2024 we are going to start the real bullish momentum. Now the crazy thing about this is that the bullish momentum phase lasts for about 1 year. It's been different, but about 1 year, from 6 months to 12 months, give it or take. And we are about to enter this phase. Okay, and after that the mania phase has lasted around also a 1 year. Like this is 1.5 years, and it's literally bull run for 2 years. Okay, so where does this take us? So in 2024 I think we are going to start here. Okay, and in 2025 when it starts we should be around here. Okay, so that being said, you know, the bull run should you know, if this is going to like manifest as it has been manifesting, the bull run actually should peak around 2026 or something like that, like at the end of 2025. You know what I'm saying? And think about, like, if like I've been thinking about like for example, in gaming, it's such an explosive niche, and so many games are going to launch in 2024. So especially in gaming, I think that gaming is going to make insane gains in 2024, like absolutely ridiculous gains, because I'm all in on crypto gaming. So I think that 2024 is going to be like extraordinary for crypto gaming. From the low price there right now, they can just absolutely make a pump. Now the mania phase, where the biggest money is of course made, and that's where you ultimately want to, you know, sell. Okay, basically you want to sell the uptrend all the way up, because you don't want to try to sell the top or buy the exact bottom. You want to, you know, buy here, and then you want to about sell here, and you know, you will make mega gains from this. Okay, because it's very hard, you know, in my opinion it's impossible, as I've been studying the world's class investors, best investor and all that. The people who like do this, they buy a dollar cost averaging in. So let me explain you. Maybe in one case, like if there was only one market cycle and you happened to buy here and sell here, you were lucky. Okay, but in the next, let's say that you live to like 100 years, in the next, like, you know, whatever 10 bubbles you will at least go through, you wouldn't be so lucky, and you would like make the bad habits. Okay, so the investor who just like patiently buys in the bottom, doesn't try to get the exact low, and then patiently sells, doesn't try to sell exact top, will outperform in longer time horizon. So basically he compounds with better habits and gets way bigger returns, because the bigger returns are in the compounding. Okay, so that's why, you know, I'm also not only on this channel and in my inner circle, I'm not only saying like maximize the profits. Of course you want to maximize the profits, but maximize your good habits. And literally, if you look at crypto based space, no one talks about no one thinks that long term. All they want to do is like quick bags, and I understand it. I'm also like in crypto, like low cap, you know, only low caps and stuff like that. It's super risky. Okay, best thing would be just like basically low, like buying ETH, getting the secure guaranteed 10x, and then like repeating that. But for me right now, I'm I think that the opportunity with cryptocurrency is just like way superior, and I understand it, and I have energy to like do it. It requires tons of time, money, and energy to like really go in to get the best picks and just like execute it, and it takes guts to win. So you really need to go in. So if you're younger, it's a perfect opportunity for younger people, like the gaming space. So that's why I'm personally going in. But I'm not only like aping on low cap coins. I'm also want to make the best and the most healthy habits that compound the best in the long term, long time horizon. Anyway, I just want to say that because literally nobody else is talking about this, and it's just crazy to me. It is just absolutely nobody talks about like the like think about the crypto gaming and just like overall investing. If you can do it for next 10, 20, 50, 80 years, like you will make so much money. Like making $1,000,000 right now looks like fucking peanuts, like literally. Okay, so for those who are aiming for big numbers, so those who are aiming only for like couple of $100,000, yeah, you can do whatever you want. But if you want to make hundreds of millions, maybe billions in your lifetime, you need to get the best good habits. Okay. But anyway, this is time frame. Right now we are here. So if you're watching this video right now, so we are literally here right now. So if you're watching this video right now and you don't have crypto gaming backs, I mean, bro, you need to get to study. You need to open the books, bro. Like you need to really like, hey, what is happening, where the net trend is going, because all the money is made in trends. Like if you study wealthiest people, like oil, rubber, software, like for example Microsoft, those who were the like early on stuff, they make all the money, bro. Like if you wait until gaming is Web3 gaming is established, and that's when you are going to take action on it, like you are not going to make any, like there are of course profits to be made, but it's same like as if you're in like trying to make money with stocks right now, like bro, like it's like there's our real estate, it is not that easy. Right now crypto is the easy, it's level 100 opportunity, no one knows about it, but the supply is pretty much low, and of course there are tons of projects, but really quality supply is low, and the demand is higher than in any space, in my opinion. Well, AI is also a big one, but that's not now. Like we can't get AI. Some AI stuff right now, but in 10 years AI will be huge. But right now, Web3 gaming is in the space, like it's going to the mass adoption, and that's why I'm so bullish on crypto gaming for 2023. Because so many games, like over 200, like AAA type, which means AAA means. You can also Google this stuff that I'm talking about. If you don't know if you don't know the things that I'm saying, you can always just Google or ask ChatGPT about it. Okay, like take action, bro. Like just learn. But AAA games are just basically high quality games. You know what I'm saying? And because I'm saying this because I found when the school education system, like people get into the school, like it's the burst. But this has turned into rant. But anyway, I'm just going to go off here. So school education system is like so BS because you go into the school like the system, and then you go there. You basically don't learn any problem solving. And problem solving is where the money is, because the bigger the problem you solve, the more money you will make. But the school education system, you go there, then they give you the books. They don't give you any problems to solve. They just all you learn there is to memorize. Like that is so like it's. You will never get ahead in that way. You need to learn problem solving. But anyway, I just want to point it out. I don't know why, but how did you found it interesting? I found it interesting. Anyway, so 2024 super bullish, 2025 mega bullish. Okay, so buying crypto gaming tokens right now. Okay, I will come back to this video and I will just like spam it on Twitter or X or whatever it's called in 2024 to 2025. I mean, it is so clear right now. It is the clearest thing that I saw it in the last 2021 when the bull run ended. I'll at the same time as it ended, I started talking about new gaming projects, but there wasn't really that many. Only thing that I've really found was Amberon back then. But right now there's like gaming projects launching left and right, and there really are games that you can play right now, Web3 games that are really play to earn, and free to play and play to earn. Okay, and we are in the brink of like getting started. So everybody will come into Web3 gaming. Everybody. All the Web2 games will turn into Web3 games. So we are extremely early. Buying the infrastructure thing, buying the gaming studios, is a huge thing. Like it's a big deal. So don't miss this wave. Like this is probably the easiest way to make a lot of money fast. And it's also fun. Like you're investing in games, bro. Like you don't have to invest in some stupid like decentralized exchanges or ZK rollup, snark, blah 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 blah, that kind of stuff. And it's fun, and that's also it has its place. But it's fun. For me, it's very fun to research the games. Like it's games. I mean, it's not even like I don't So I think it's great. It doesn't even feel like work, right? Anyway, super bullish. The point of this video, mega bullish. We are at the very end of the boring lows. The data is like flashing in front of your eyes. Bear market historically 547 days, very exact, right? And right now we're 511 days, 36 days to go, bro. Like 1 month. And I think that within that 1 month we get the final dip, and then Q1 2024 the bear market ends and the bullish momentum starts. And the bullish momentum has historically been like 1 year, give it or take. It can be like 8 months, 6 months. I don't specifically, it's not, nobody knows. I'm not an oracle that sees the future. I'm just showing you past data and sharing the experience and knowledge that I have. And then the bullish momentum will turn into crazy euphoric phase. So basically 2 years of very much gains ahead. Okay, so yeah, so that is it's a big deal, guys. It is very big deal. So yeah, anyway, I cover all this stuff in my, so if you are not in my email list yet, go to the first link in description and join my email list. I email all this stuff, and also I have an inner circle of crypto gaming picks and everything I find, basically all the research that I cover. And I get like I could share it for free, but I have found that when I share stuff for free, first of all, nobody takes action on free stuff. Like probably if you paid $1,000 for this video, you would be taking notes. Right now you probably are not taking notes, right? And then secondly, I have found for myself, I work harder if I get paid for the work, meaning that I actually find better stuff, like really hardcore alpha that really makes the money. Because don't get it twisted, if you're watching YouTube, you are pretty much too late. you know what I'm saying? Like you need to be super early on this stuff, and if you want to make really big gains. Of course, you can make still big gains. Bull run hasn't even started, but yeah, I share the best alpha that I find, and I keep sharing the best alpha that I find. Anyway, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Thank you so much for watching this video, and peace out. Thank you so much. Thank you.